So we moved from a council flat and we wanted to buy, so obviously we bought up here, and with it being our property and we own it, we wanted extra security because you want to keep your home safe. I didn't really want to go with a big business. I wanted to, I quite like supporting family businesses because obviously they're trying to make a living for their own family, and so we brought up some that were family businesses and on the recommendations, and I'd seen some good reviews, so I gave them a call. I spoke to Rebecca and she took all my details down and had a look at the availability, and they worked it round us and my family for when we were available. So he showed us a dummy box, and it was like, this is what we put outside your house and these are the sensors that we put inside your house. He showed us an app as well where you can link it up, and yeah, he talked it through and made sure we fully understood what we were buying and what we were committing to before we committed to it as well. He did make sure we fully understood, which I think was really good. So again, they've got the diary out and made sure that the availability worked around me. And then just booked another day in for Dave to come round and fit it for us. He just came and fitted everything and cleaned up after himself, and yeah, that was it. And he showed me how it worked, so obviously he didn't leave without me knowing how the actual alarm system worked. So he taught me through how to set the alarm, how to turn it off, and told us if there was ever a problem that we could call him and they'd come out and have a look. And yeah, it was very, very smooth, no disruption to my house and my family, and it was really, really good. We were really happy with the work that Dave did and the team at SafeNet Alarms, that we made the recommendation to my mother and father-in-law to get an alarm system as well.